Okay, quick life update because I'm being asked a lot of questions and I'm a little fed up of answering it. Uh, I kind of am living life in the rule of threes, and I'm looking at this as the third inning and 90-day paradigms. Very simply, my life's work has right now put me into a place where I can maybe do only three things in a day if I want to do it justice, and they have to be really deep things. Otherwise, I'm not interested. And all the tech that I do has to work on making the human and the human's life better. So that's the first thing. So in the spirit of that. First thing that I'm working on essentially is there is an entire coaching and a consultancy business as a digital product offering which will come your way very very soon, if not tomorrow. And then there is uh, the idea is to keep a founder standing eternally. And the second, of course, is everything is a long term place. The second thing is that while all the tech is codified, all the logic there is, facts is not truths and data is not reality. So, having said all of that, how do we tap into the humanity of technology? And how do we make it voice and video first and not text based? So that's the second thing, and the venture is called Divine. Then there is the third thing, where while you will lead a physical life, there will be a digital twin of all your life out there. And so this whole element of talking twins, and I am taking a position of saying the internet of here on will be talk first, whether it's the world of LLMs, ChatGPT, etc. But it will be talk first. So in a talk first world, everything changes. And how do you kind of operate for that? Because now there are 7,000 languages in this world, and there are 8 billion people whose likeness you have to make things in, and there is the whole of world whose twinning you have to do. So these are the three things, and I am a digital native, so everything is digital first. But everything you do behind the screen or behind the keyboard has to serve the life that you lead and the human that you are from the inside. All the outside is actually just noise. How do you kind of nullify that to make sure that whatever you do behind the keyboard serves the life that you lead in real life, and kind of helps you deal with all the vagaries of life that come along. And that's the attempt. It's not following any template that exists. It's just the template of the person that I am, and what makes me happy and what makes me tick, and that's that. And at this point in my life, I think I don't have to seek any kind of permission or approval. I can more or less do what I want to do, as long as I say true to the fact that the human is in the center, and everything else kind of revolves around the humanity of the same. So yeah, so that's an update, and wait for a few more things. Interesting times as we speak.